Very good morning, children. I welcome you all in the new class 12C in KV Kapurthala, Kent. Children, this is the first chapter of history, Bricks, Beads and Bones. Why this name is given to the chapter? Because these three words have the great significance in finding about in this chapter. So these are called the sources also. Whenever we start studying history, first of all, we require the sources through which we get the information regarding that particular period or particular regime. These are the sources. Sources are counted as artifacts. Artifacts means whatever the ornaments, tools, sails are obtained from there. So these are houses, remains of houses, pots, ornaments, tools, seals, toys. They were made up of clay, and some statues of god and goddesses. For example, male god was known as Pashupati and female goddess was known as Mother Goddess. There were two types of seals. One was like this. This seal was found in Harappan civilization, and this is known as the unicorn seal. This is known as unicorn. There is a script. Some letters have been formed here like this. These are letters here, but we could not read the script written on this seal. So the script is still undeciphered. Undeciphered means that is not read yet. One more seal is, it is of Pashupati. It is of Pashupati. It is Pashupati. Pashupati means god of Pashu because many animals are shown here on this seal. So he may be protecting the animals. That is why he is known as Pashupati. And there is a great resemblance of present god Shiv. First of all, we come to the phases of Harappan civilization. In which phases Harappan civilization has been found? Harappan civilization has been found in three phases: early civilization, mature civilization, late civilization. Harappan civilization is also known as Indus Valley civilization because it was situated on the banks of the river Indus, and one more name is given to it, that is Bronze Age civilization, because bronze was the most prominently used in this age. So let us start. Early civilization. The period of early civilization was from 3300 BCE to 2600 BCE. Mature civilization was from 2600 BCE to 1900 BCE, and late civilization was from 1900 BCE to 1300 BCE. This was the previous period of mature civilization. This mature civilization is known as Harappan civilization. Early civilization was also having some features that were prevailing in this period, but there is a breakdown between them. It is evident from the distinctive pottery, evidence of agriculture, pastoralism, craft, evidence of large-scale burning at some sites were also available. That shows that there was a distinct period, there was a break in this two period. Late civilization. Late civilization means again that was on the declining period. So there was a difference between these three. What is the meaning of Bronze Age civilization? Because bronze was mostly used. It was the hardest metal. Bronze means you can consider that this is an alloy of copper. This is an alloy of copper and tin. Mostly this was consisting copper, but around 12 to 12.5% tin is used in making this this metal. Children, you should know that iron was not known in this period. Iron period came later. Iron was not known. Now we can study this period onto the timeline. Suppose this is the timeline. We assume that this is the timeline and this mark is of 1 AD. In your previous class, you have studied that AD means Anno Domini, and Anno Domini means in the year of birth of Jesus. So all these years forwarding towards to the present, all are called in the Anno Domini. All are counted in the Anno Domini. Now this is known as CE. CE means Common Era. Commonly this period is known as Common Era. And what was the period before it? It was known as BCE, before Common Era. And previously, when this time was known as AD to 2020 AD, and this period was known in BC, before Christ. Now it is known as Common Era, and it is known as before Common Era, and it moves backward. So we try to mark the period of Harappan civilization here. If we divide it into the span of 500 years, so we reach here around 2000, and this is 1900 BCE, and this is 2500, this is 2600 BCE. So 2600 BCE starts from here and this civilization ends up to 1900. This was the time period of Harappan civilization. Now we come to the terms, place and time. Time we have already discussed. Now I will describe that what was the meaning of terms. So the term culture is given to this civilization. Culture means when a group of object is found in some particular place in a particular time, that is known as culture. So this was known as Harappan culture. Why it is given the name of Harappan culture? Because Harappa was the first excavated city. So after the name of Harappa, the name of the civilization is called Harappan culture. Next topic is subsistence strategies. Subsistence strategies means strategies of agriculture. What were the practices of agriculture? Agriculture was done particularly for subsistence, means for survival. So they used to use the plow because we have found one animal, that is bull. Bull was used, oxen was used in plowing. There are some evidences oxen and bulls are found in the seals also. They are found in the form of toys also, clay toys also. Children, this area was semi-arid area. Semi-arid area means not completely based on monsoon or the rainwater. Irrigation was also required in this area. This area is called means अर्ध शुष्क जिसे आप कह सकते हैं, ये एरिया था, तो इसमें इरिगेशन की भी ज़रूरत थी. Canals were found in Shortughai. We have found some canals, evidences of canals, and these were in the one main canal was found in Shortughai. Shortughai is in Afghanistan on the bank of the Oxus River. Other modes of irrigation were wells, and besides wells, reservoirs were also found. One main reservoir, one main evidence of the remains of reservoir was found at Dholavira. Children, one more practice was of plowing the field. As you see in the last section, we have found many kinds of blades which were made up of stones. So these might be used in the handle of wood, or maybe might be used as it is. There is a place in Kalibangan. Kalibangan is famous for findings of the remains of plough field. Plough field, actually this is the world's earliest known ploughed field that is found there, and we have found two sets of furrows that are dividing and intersecting like this. टू लाइन्स ऑफ फरोज मीन्स जो हल्की रेखाएं हमें यहाँ पर मिलती हैं, वो हल्की रेखाएं एक दूसरे को इस तरह से डिवाइड करती हैं, जो ये शो करता है कि शायद दो तरह की क्रॉप्स एक साथ ग्रो की जाती होंगी। जैसे कि आज से भी रिजेम्बलेंस इसकी मिलती है। आज भी यदि कोई दाल ग्रो की जाती है एक लाइन में, तो दूसरी लाइन में मस्टर्ड ग्रो किया जाता है। तो इस तरह की प्रैक्टिसेस उस टाइम में भी रही होंगी। ऐसे एविडेंसेस हमें कहाँ से मिलते हैं? कालीबंगन से मिलते हैं। What were the dietary practices? Dietary practices means what they used to eat. They basically used to eat wheat, barley, lentils, chickpea and sesame means til. Others grain were millets, and the evidences of millets have been found from Gujarat. Rice was rarely found, and main site of finding the rice is Lothal. In Lothal or on some other sites also, we have found the charred seeds. Charred seeds means जले हुए burnt rice. एक हस्क का भी हमें एविडेंस मिला है। वो हस्क का एविडेंस हमें मिलता है रंगपुर से। Animals bones were also found in this area, and these were basically cattle, sheep, goat. Cattle means cows and bulls. These were domesticated. Sheep, goat, these are domesticated, and wild animals were also found in this area in this period. These were boar, deer, gharial. Boar means a kind of swine or pig. So this was the introduction of the Harappan civilization. Now I explain you the extent of Harappan civilization. Children, this is the extent of Harappan civilization in north, in Jammu, from Manda. This is Manda, this is site Manda, from Manda up to Daimabad. Daimabad is in Maharashtra. So from in north, from Manda, it stretches to Daimabad. And from east, from Alamgirpur is in UP, it extends up to the Sut-Kangedor or into Afghanistan, where this evidence of canal has been found from Shortugai. So this is the area of its extent. Now there are major sites which you may find in the CBSE examination also. These are, main is Harappa. This is based on the river of Ravi. It is in Pakistan. Again, Mohenjo-daro is in Pakistan. This is Kot Diji. This is Chanhudaro. Sut-Kangedor, again in Pakistan. And this is Dhaulavira, Gujarat. This is Nageshwar, Lothal, Rangpur, Kalibangan. Kalibangan means the black colored bangles. This place is Banawali. Banawali is in Fatehbad district of Haryana. This is Rakhigadi. Rakhigadi is presently in the Hisar district of Haryana. So these are the main sites, and you will mark these sites on the political map of India. It will be your homework for today, and we shall cover next topic in the next video. Thank you.